This week on PBCJ Presents.
Predial larceny is one of the biggest deterrent for farmers. The whole idea that predial larceny and predial thieves are the responsibility of the security force is wrong. We need a re-edification of the nation. The persons, all Jamaican, must participate in this process to get rid of this scourge.
Is it more now?
It is terrible because it is now seen as a big business, and a lot of the
Even more so than
yes
5 years ago.
Yes, and there are teams and gangs and so forth who use that as a business, and so
Like scamming.
yes, and so persons, the Jamaican and all have to participate in this process. It's not just about the police going out there and arrest some persons. We at the RADA, we are facilitators of farmers groups and farmer watch groups, where I watch your farm, you watch my farm. There are certain technologies that are available. We try to make sure that the farmers understand that. We provide them with basic information. There are some basic tits and bits that farmers must know. Why keep extra shrub around your home? Put up your lights, put up some cameras, make persons, your neighbor know what's happening. If you move secretly on your farm and everybody's moving secretly, nobody knows what's happening. If I get a loss, let it be known. Fence your area. Get your dogs.
Be a brother. This is
Be
a
your brother's
big
It's a big problem. It's not a police problem.